Excuse me, sorry. I'm a street photographer. I'm making a photo and short video on my channel.
You're
TikTok.
fine, totally.
Yes, my work.
Oh, cute.
Would you mind if I asking you to be my model? Can I get
Oh,
you
sure.
a free
Yeah,
picture?
that's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Where you from, sorry?
The USA.
Yes. Yeah, Utah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, cute. Those are really good. Thank you. Great. Wow.
Also the same name on YouTube.
Okay.
And give me around 15 minutes. I will print out like a Polaroid small photo
Oh, for free?
for free.
Oh, thanks.
Moment.
What in the world? We're lucky. You've been so good today.
I write down the Thai language.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
It's me. Can you guess what I like? The meaning is the land of smile.
A lot of smiles.
Oh, how great. Thank you so much, Len.
Thailand is the land of smile. Maybe you try to.
Thailand is
have-
the land of
I think we've
smiles.
heard it
Yeah.
once before somewhere. Yeah, so before
Try Google it. Blue eye. I think it can long last 30 years.
Wow, thank you. We will keep this.
Our souvenir from Thailand. From us.
Thank you.
How old is she?
10 months.
I will send
Goodness.
Actually, I'm from the east of Thailand, Rayong.
Hey,
Have a
thank you
good
so
trip.
much.
Have a good
Thank
trip.
you.
Bye.
Bye.